The first race is always nice. It's always full of excitement, full of different kind of excitement compared to the other races. And it's at dark, the race when it's dark, so it has also a different scenario. And this year was complicated. We struggled. Wasn't the easiest race of my life, but wasn't the toughest as well.
Lica was basically, I think, one of the race I'm more proud of, because of course the rain came and was more difficult for me, the situation with no riding before. And I was 5th all the race, and then in the last moment I could overtake 3 riders and fight for the 2nd position. And this kind of race is really important for the points of the championship.
We started to see some sessions where I was fast. I was able to pull in some nice laps, especially with race tires. So we started to see something in the late races of the first half. We need to see much more. We need to put everything together. We need to see much more, and we are working for much more.
Portugal was the moment we really put the hammer down and make a victory, take the championship lead. And the next 2 races was Portugal. There was Jerez and Mugello. Jerez was a race we're supposed to fight for the victory. We get really close. And then Mugello, we struggled a lot during all the weekend. But for the race, we decided to go back as a standard bike, and I make an amazing race, one of my best for sure. And yeah, it was really 3 races that we score a lot of points in a short moment. I can only feel good after these 2 victories, 50 points out of 50 in 2 tracks where we was supposed to struggle a little bit. We make that victories just before us, and so of course was an important moment. And of course we feel good for the championship, but it's still long, and we need to fight step by step and race by race.